First of all, we open the package.
Check the contents of the box set. Check whether the rear cable connector is properly connected. Check the car charger cable. Dash cam mounting bracket. Attach it to the dash cam and press it tight. We can check the instructions for installation. The car cigar lighter jack has two positions. The first cigar lighter is in this position. The other cigarette lighter is over here. Two ways to pick up power with cigarette lighter style. Working on the car charger alignment now. We installed the car charger before. First mount it on this power port. Check if the car recorder is working properly. Insert the memory card in the sleeve into the card slot. Connect the rear camera as well. Check the screen after connecting and use it normally. The front, inside, and rear cameras are all recording. Bottom button can be debugged. There's nothing wrong with the picture. Bottom button can be debugged. We'll start installing the dash cam now. We can put the car recorder in the rear view mirror or mounted on the front windshield panel. Peel off the 3M adhesive before starting installation. "3M adhesive is very sticky. We chose to install the mounted on front windshield panel. Unhook the car's charging cable. Install the car charger cable along the edge. There's one underneath that has a buckle bit, and this rubber we can remove. Place the car charger cable. Pull the car charging cable over. Then connect the power cord to this location.